Hey everyone, in this video I will show you what to expect after you have ordered your Traeger. About 7 days after you place the order, you'll get a call, in my case, from FedEx Freight. They made an appointment with me. I was able to call someone to come over to the house because I wasn't home at the time. And the driver waited around for about 10 minutes and wheeled the thing on a pallet jack exactly where I asked them to. It weighs about 300 pounds, so you really want to get it where you want it, especially, again, in my case, if you're not going to assemble it right away. It had to sit there for a little over a week. But anyway, stay tuned here and I'll give you a close-up of what the packaging looked like and how they ship it. All right, here we are. This is what to expect when you're expecting a Traeger. That's the pallet it came on. It slides right off. It's not even screwed on at all. It's not strapped in any way. It's so heavy, it's not really going anywhere, but I guess they have learned that it doesn't. There's a little bit of box tear down there, but I don't expect any damage. It looks good. Clearly it's snagged on something right here, and the pellets are coming out, but that's all right. I'll use those pellets first. Anything you order is shrink wrapped right on top. I got the cover and some liners also. Ace Hardware had a deal yesterday on, what was it? Buy one, get one 50 off. So I got a couple bags and that bucket right there. There's one more bag around here somewhere because I went through the line 3 times. I'm amazed they let me do that. But that's what to expect when you're expecting a Traeger. All right, and right here is fully assembled. New home out here on the patio. I'll let you guys out. This is the new Traeger station right here. Yes, indeed. I think I'll put a vent there at some point. But anyway, I wanted to show you where I ended up sticking this sucker because at the end of this video, I will give you a link that shows the entire assembly process, and I sure would like you to watch that if you're interested, and please subscribe because I will do another couple videos on this. I'm going to make a rack down there on the bottom. I think I'm gonna do a bamboo tray, so stay tuned for that. And then I also have done my first cook, and I've seasoned the inside with grapeseed oil. I did a video on that, so stay tuned. And then I'll also give you a little tour of the outside kitchen. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.